Hello and welcome back. Today we are doing a simple 3-ingredient recipe with potatoes, green onions and eggs. We are going to pre-boil the potatoes for 5 minutes with salt so that they are crispy, not fully cooked. While the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the other ingredients. At this point, our potatoes are ready and we are going to grate them. You can see the potatoes are not fully cooked, instead they are pre-cooked and they are crispy, and you can see from the grating. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of home baking flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a little milk. Pour in the grated potatoes, and then we are going to add the other ingredients onto it. At this point, you're only using half of the spring onions to mix the entire mixture. We're going to cook this side on low heat for 5 minutes, and then turn the other side using a flat plate. You can turn the other side and cook for 3 minutes. This side is not going to go for 5 minutes. Immediately you turn it, you can add the cheese. If you're using cheese, it's optional, you can avoid it. And then once the cheese is melted, we're going to garnish it with the rest of the spring onions for a wonderful mouth-watering taste. At this point, it's ready, and you can cut it into 4 pieces. Remember, this can serve 4 people, and enjoy. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments, and like as well as subscribe. Thank you.